Hey, what's up, folks? My name is Pascal, and this is Hacksplained. I am super stoked to talk to you today in this video, which is actually the first time that I'm showing my face to you after all those videos that I have produced so far. I want to talk a little bit about me, about the person behind Hacksplained. And I want to start with who am I and what have I done in the past before I came to this point that I created this channel just for you out there. So my name is Pascal, or Pascal Sack, or Hacksplained nowadays, and when I was around 15, I actually went to school and studied business. So I went to a business school, and it took me like 5 years to realize that business school was not for me, and I made like a full 180 turn and changed trajectory a little bit. So at that point, when I was like 19 years old, I actually started studying, and I started a computer security program, which was just amazing to me. Like at this point, I had no idea about programming. I had no idea about computers almost. I had no idea what IT security was. And I only knew that I really wanted to dig into the field of cybersecurity. And that course took me like 5 years to finish, where I graduated with a master's degree in like 2014 or 15. And after that, I started to work as a penetration tester, and today I'm actually a senior security engineer, still mainly working in penetration testing. What that means is every single day I do get a lot of components, a lot of features, a lot of new whatever software, pieces, chunks of code that I have to review, that I have to study, where I have to search for vulnerabilities. And that is pretty cool, because that basically means 40 hours a week I search for vulnerabilities while actually getting paid for it. That's not too shabby, right? And still, I came to a point where I was seeing that the world of IT security is so fast-paced. It's insane to realize how fast things are changing. If you studied something yesterday, it could be that today it's not correct or true anymore. So you always have to keep up to date with the latest information. And I, for myself, and this is a secret, so don't tell anyone, I am a little bit of a lazy person. So when I come back home from work, I like to relax. I like to hop on my bike, go for a swim, or just chill out at my couch and watch a television series. So that doesn't really help me with getting to know new cybersecurity, new bug bounty knowledge, and all that stuff, right? So I needed something for myself that helped me to find motivation to learn and study something new. And what I found was YouTube. I found that I really love to teach somebody something new. That's something I just love, and that fulfills my heart. And the good thing for me was I quickly realized that if I want to teach something new to you out there, I actually have to learn that by myself first. I have to study, I have to read up on articles, news, and a lot of other stuff to learn the knowledge first that I want to transport over to you. And that gave me a lot of motivation. So first of all, Hacksplained is my biggest motivation, I want to say right now, to study something new in the field of cybersecurity. And apart from that, I really enjoy the fact that I can teach something new to people that I don't even know. Because with all the Hacksplained watches, all the people out there like you watching this video right now, I have no idea who they are. But I know that I am feeling happy and grateful if I can teach you something new. And this is basically what Hacksplained is all about. And if you're wondering right now, what is Hacksplained teaching me? I can tell you. So Hacksplained, if you have watched a couple of my videos which are out there by now, is mainly about bug bounty hunting, about penetration testing, about getting to know the basics to start working in the field of cybersecurity. And I want to keep on doing that for a really, really long time. So actually, I have a lot of plans to start teaching you about new tools that come out, about new channels, articles, news that you really want to check out. I am still going down the road to teach you about vulnerabilities that are new, or even the older ones, because those are super important as well. And I hope that you're having a little bit of fun watching my channel. Obviously, I hope that you subscribe it, that you recommend it to other people, but the most important thing to me is that you learn something new. And I want you to reach out to me if you have any question, if you have something where you don't really understand it, you don't really grasp it, just reach out to me either in my YouTube comments, on Twitter with Pascal Sack, or on any other way you find. Just find out how you can do it. Just hack it. And yeah, that is basically it. I really hope that you got a little bit of a better idea right now what Hacksplained is, who Hacksplained is, and what Hacksplained can do for you. And with that, I hope you have a great day. Check out all my videos. I would really appreciate your feedback and your, well, appreciation of my videos. All right, with that, subscribe in the top right corner, and I will see you soon. This is Hacksplained.